Okay, I'm going to try with the lower wing attached with another linkage. Oh, wait, that's the right way. So, left wing. Okay, so downstroke, bend for the upper stroke, prepare for lower stroke,